We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. It never gets old when someone posts these type of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.